Hello everyone, this is Nandita from Team Syntax Layers. Today I am going to replicate the Misfits Market landing page, and this is the page I am going to replicate. And I have created a folder on the desktop, and I have created two files, index.html and style.css. And I have taken two images which are useful for the project. And coming to the index.html, I'm using a basic tag doc, and next I'm giving title as Misfits Market, and next I'm linking CSS to the HTML file. I'm linking style.css, and next I'm taking the help of the notepad. BR is useful for insert a single line break, and first I have taken H1, and H1 indicates the heading, and heading is, as we can see here, Misfits Market, and I have taken Misfits Market and I have given some styling like position as fixed and top as little bit 1px, and next I have created a division. In that division I have taken class as fixed, and next this save big by save foot is in bold letters, so I have used a basic tag B for bold letters, save big by and save food. And I have created another division, and I have created a class as type, and we can see here for this we have taken that paragraph, and next we need this get started button, so that I have taken one button, and I have taken class as container, and given styling as position as fixed, and I have taken left and top, and here I need to type get started, so that I have used some paragraph, and next we need this about us sign in and get started. So, and next we need image, so that I have taken image tag, and I have named it as object, and I have linked the image, and I name it as Misfits. And next I have created a division. In that division I have created a class as box1, and we need this sign up button, and for that sign up button I have created a paragraph, and next I have given styling, and here I have used anchor tag for second image, and I have named it as about us, because you can see here this is about us. And next I need another image, so that I have given class as type 2, and I have given as icon, and this is HTML code. And here I have taken a website from the Chrome, and coming to the style.css. First we have taken for the header part, that is H1. I have taken text transform as capitalize, and I have given some font family. Uh, and I have taken class as fixed for saving big by and saving put, and for that I have taken dot fixed, and I have given some font size and margin top and font family. Next I have given background as anti-q white, because we can see here the background is anti-q white. And next we next we have taken for button, so that and we have given some height and width, and some font family. And next we have taken for paragraph for get started, and we have taken some text align font size and font family, and we have taken for box 1, and we have taken for box 1, and we have taken for anchor tag and for this website, and we have to adjust this about us, so that we have taken for A, and we have taken font size and text decoration as well. And next we have taken for the container for get started, and so that for the container we have given this background color, border padding, margin, border radius and height. And next we have given for box for the button, and for button get started, so that we have given the box background color, border padding and width as 200 and box sizing and border area is 5 px, and we have given some height. And next we have taken for box 1, for that box 1, and we have given as same background color, border and padding position, width and height, and box sizing, border radius. And next, and I have taken for the fixed and given some CSS code to the fixed class fixed. And next we have given for the object, and we have given height, width and margin top and margin left. And here for this type we have uh, for this text we have taken as class as type, so that, and we have given some position left, top and width and font size, and font family we have given as Arial. And for type 2, this is drop down symbol, and we have to adjust that symbol, so that we have taken class as type 2. And I have given some height, width and top, and we can see the can see output with live server. We can see that here is the heading of the Misfits market, and if we click on about us, it will show some theory about Misfits market, and this is a get started button, and here we can compare that this is a page to be replicated, and this is the output we have got. Thank you for giving this opportunity.